Check it out. Got some London steaks, real quick and cheap. Look at those, bro. Look at those. That's what I'm talking about right there, baby. Gabbys Grills, huh? Just want to say what's up. I'm going to Fontana this weekend. Can't wait. All you guys want barbecues, hit me up. I'm telling you, brother, hit me up. I'll bring them down there for you. Save a bunch of money. You know what I mean? So just let me know. Give me a call, and I'll bring them down to you. I'm going this weekend. I'm going to be at my mom's house the whole weekend. Not leaving, so you're welcome to pick up anytime during the weekend. I'm going to get there Friday night, and I'm leaving Sunday midday. So if you guys want one, hit me up. Just want to say what's up there, buddy. Say thanks for everything. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks for being part of Gabbys Grills. Just want to say what's up, and most of all, God's good, huh? God bless you guys. That's what it's all about right there, brothers. God is good, God is good, and God is good. Say what's up to my pit vatos. Yeah, brothers. What's up? Hold on, I'll go this way, so we'll move backwards. I got my sign backwards, so my other video. There you go, right there. God is good, brother. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching my videos. And if you guys are picking up barbecue this weekend, I'll see you this weekend. Late. God bless. Next time.